You're in middle age, and you feel empty. Each morning, just opening your eyes feels like a battle to get out of bed. You used to have dreams, but now, you just hope tomorrow won't be worse than today. Your career? Not what you expected. Relationships? Distant. Awkward. Health? Starting to decline. And you wonder, when did I go off track? Let me make this clear. You are not broken. You are not a failure. You're just off course. And you absolutely can come back. This isn't just your story. This is a silent crisis shared by millions of middle-aged Americans. Blank. Underscore. Blank. 1. Finances. 68% of Americans aged 35 to 50 say they feel regularly stressed about money. Nearly 1/3 of people in their 40s don't even have $10 in retirement savings. 61% live paycheck to paycheck. One missed paycheck, and everything collapses. 2. Work. Nearly half of workers aged 35 to 54 say their jobs feel meaningless. 42% are experiencing burnout, long-term exhaustion from pressure and toxic environments. They're not dreaming anymore. They're just surviving week to week. 3. Relationships. Half of middle-aged men in the US are feeling lonely, regularly. Only 13% have more than 10 close friends. Nearly 30% say they have no one to call when things fall apart. This is the reality. You're not alone. But you weren't prepared for this chapter. No one taught you how to live when everything feels unfinished. Society only tells you, run faster, work harder, spend money to feel happy. But you know, none of that saves you. It only traps you in an empty loop. Why you're stuck? Because you've lived under the expectations of others. Your parents, your coworkers, social media. You stopped investing in yourself, stopped learning, stopped moving, stopped creating. Now you're trapped in a cycle. Work right pointing arrow exhaustion right pointing arrow phone scrolling right pointing arrow repeat. And here's the dangerous part. This trap doesn't come from the outside. It comes from the moment you stop leading yourself. So, what's the plan to rebuild? Step 1. Accept that you went the wrong way. And that's okay. No one taught you how to face debt, divorce, burnout, or feeling like a failure at 37. So stop blaming yourself. Awareness isn't about regret. Awareness is looking truth in the eye and choosing to start over. You don't need a 10-year plan. You just need to begin today. Step 2. Rebuild your personal discipline, the foundation of all transformation. Without new habits, you will repeat your old life. Wake up 1 hour earlier. Wake up in silence. Drink water. Write a few lines. Take back the rhythm of your day. Cut 90% of social media. Delete the apps. Turn off notifications. Set time limits. Exercise for 15 minutes every morning. Walk, plank, push-ups. Simple but consistent. Read or study 30 minutes a day. Learn about personal finance, digital skills, or simply how to think again. These aren't productivity hacks. This is how you reclaim control of your life. Step 3. Rediscover meaning through a personal project. When your job no longer inspires you, your soul needs another space to breathe. Write a blog or journal. No one needs to read it. Garden, raise plants, care for animals, build a small side hustle, sell crafts, teach what you know, start a podcast, or just return to something you once loved. You don't need a grand passion. You just need one thing that reminds you you're still alive. Step 4. Reconnect with 2 old friends. Not just a, hey, long time no see, message. Really connect. Call, grab coffee, share honestly, listen deeply. You don't need 50 people. You just need 2 people who truly care and whom you truly care about. That alone can revive a soul. Loneliness is killing middle-aged men. Don't let it kill you. Listen closely. You're in middle age. And yes, you think it's too late to start over. But the truth is, it never was. You just haven't started the right way. Life doesn't demand that you become great overnight. It only asks you to find the right direction, stay disciplined, and don't stop. Don't just scroll to the next video. Restart with the smallest action today. The playlist series 30 of Middle Age from Discipline Daily is waiting for you in the description or first pinned comment. This journey doesn't require you to be perfect. It only asks that you don't give up.